Acer Nitro16 that I have here. Mine comes with the AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS with a Radeon 780M graphics inbuilt, and then RTX 4070 on top of that, 32 gigs of RAM base for this model.
A VQXGA screen with 165Hz refresh rate and NVIDIA G-Sync the keyboard. It's fairly good for a notebook. Lots of functions buttons. Top left you have a mode switching button that when you run on charger switches between eco mode and balance, power, and the purple one is a turbo which does overclock the PC a bit. Then above the numlock or numpad you have a nitro button which launches NitroSense. On the laptop, which you can manually switch modes, adjust the settings, adjust keyboard lighting, check the battery life, check the drive, the NVMe's and whatnot. Also adjust fan speeds. By the way, the fans go all the way up to 6000 RPM, which is ridiculously loud, but it keeps the notebook cool, even if like gaming on a 3K monitor that I have. Believe me, the temperatures wanna go high. And of course, the keyboard has 4 light zones, which you can adjust manually, or you can choose some of the global settings and just pick the color, the mode. So for quite some time, it's very good daily notebook. It's powerful. It packs a punch. It's not the most lightest of notebooks. If you want something light, I wouldn't choose this one. But like the power brick itself is freaking half a kilo. It packs 350 watts that ensures you that you can fast charge and play at the same time. Uh, about the power of the PC, it's not the best, it's not the worst, it's not a 5090, 4090 configuration, but I play on 3K ultra wide display, which speaks for itself, and I play games like Star Citizen or GTA 5 and stuff like that, which is fairly demandable for the hardware. As a base, it comes with 32 gigs of RAM, which is also good. You can upgrade them later. Connectivity, you have two USB-Cs, which serves also as a display port. You have HDMI. You have three USB 3s, and then a micro SD reader, Ethernet connection, and a jack as well. As I mentioned, it's upgradable, so let's take a look at the backside. Let's open it. I do recommend using a magnetized screwdriver because you don't want to lose the screws or drop them inside the PC. Just a few screws to undo, then you can slowly lift the backplate. You also have to take a look because when you're lifting it, those screws will want to fly away. So I suggest you take a magnet or magnetized screwdriver, take them out beforehand. Then you grab it all the way in the back by the cooling out ports. Lift it up slowly. I recommend you using both hands. As you can hear, one of the screws just flown away on my table, luckily, so I didn't need to find it. By the way, make sure to go from from this side where the USBs are, because at the side of the board it will wanna bend. You don't want to damage those plastics. Once you get inside, you can see you have uh, two NVMe slots, two RAM slots. All of them are interchangeable and like upgradable. So if you need space, you can plop two Sabrins in there. You have 16 terabytes of ultra fast NVMe's. Battery is also changeable. Okay, now to do some benchmarks. I had to do it on my ultrawide 3K monitor, so results are a bit worse. The FPS did drop slightly with the resolution, but that's expected. So as you can see, the average score, my score is 2783. While we had at average like 30 FPS at max, the temperatures had risen to about 80 Celsius, which is not the lowest. As I said, that's why the cooling solution is so high RPM and is loud like a starting plane. But I use it daily. I do not mind. I kind of got used to it, I think.